Hey guys, it's me Anirban and back here with another brand new video on my channel. In this video, I will be showing you top 5 budget friendly tablets that you can buy in 2021 under rupees 30,000. Okay, so just sit back, relax, grab a cup of coffee and without wasting any more time, let's get started. Please make sure that all the tablets which I will be mentioning in this video, some will be having only Wi-Fi variants and some will be having Wi-Fi plus cellular variants. That means you can even use a SIM card with the tablets. And actually it was a requested video from one of my subscribers. And okay, so just now start this video. At number 5, we have the Huawei MediaPad T5. It comes with a 10.1-inch Full HD display, 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage space. It also comes with a Wi-Fi variant as well as a Wi-Fi plus cellular variant, which means that you can even use a SIM card with that tablet. It comes with 32 GB storage variant, which means that you can even extend it up to 256 GB with any of the SD cards if you want. It also comes with a 5 megapixel rear camera and a 2 megapixel front camera. At number 4, we have the Lenovo Smart Tab M10 second generation. It comes with a 10.3-inch Full HD display, 4 GB of RAM, 128 GB of storage space. It also comes with 8 megapixel rear camera and a 5 megapixel front camera. As this device comes with 128 GB of storage space, if any of you think that it is not enough for me, then you can even extend it up to 512 GB. It also comes with both Wi-Fi as well as Wi-Fi plus cellular variants, that is you can even use a SIM card with this tablet, and it comes with a 5000 mAh lithium ion battery inside it. At number 3, we have the Samsung Galaxy Tab A7. It comes with a 10.4-inch Full HD display, which Samsung claims to be a full AMOLED display. It also comes with 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage space. It also comes in two different variants, that is the Wi-Fi variant and the Wi-Fi plus cellular variant, which means that you can even use a SIM card with that tablet. It also comes with a 7040 mAh lithium ion battery inside it. It comes with 8 megapixel rear camera and 5 megapixel front camera. As this device comes with a 32 GB of storage space, if anyone thinks that it is not enough for him or her, then he or she can even extend it up to 256 GB with any of the SD cards that you have. Those of you who are watching this video, please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and please hit that bell icon so that whenever I post a new video, you will be notified. Number 2, we have the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. It comes with a 10.4-inch Full HD display, that is Samsung claims to be full AMOLED display, 4 GB of RAM, 64 GB of storage space. It also comes with two variants, that is the Wi-Fi variant as well as the Wi-Fi plus cellular variants, that is the 4G LTE, that is even you can use a SIM card with that device, and also comes with 8 megapixel rear camera and 5 megapixel front camera. It also the storage can also be extended up to 512 GB if the 64 GB seems less for you. And it also comes with a stylus, that is the S Pen that most of us get in with the Note series smartphones from Samsung, and it also comes with the S Pen out of the box. At number 1, we have the Apple iPad 8th generation. As we all know that the Apple iPad 8th generation comes with a 10.2-inch Full HD display, 3 GB of RAM, 32 GB of storage space. It also comes with 8 megapixel rear camera and 1.2 megapixel front camera. It also comes with 3 types of storage variants. That is the first one is the 32 GB storage variant, then the 64 GB storage variant, and at last the 128 GB of storage variant. Those of you who don't know, the Apple iPad 8th generation, which I personally use for myself, I have made several dedicated videos on this iPad. Those of you who haven't checked those videos out yet, I will give the links in the description down below. You can even check it out. Also, those of you who are students as well as teachers or are somehow related with the educational field, they can even avail the educational discount from Apple. And how you can avail those discounts, I have already mentioned how you can avail those discounts in one of my videos. If you haven't checked it out yet, I will also post that link also in my description down below. And this if you purchase the iPad 8th generation, you will also need to purchase the Apple Pencil, or you can even purchase any of the Logitech pencil that supports the iPad, and you are good to go. And why I personally suggest buying the iPad 8th generation, because in case of tablets, the Apple tablets seems much more faster as well as better in comparison to any other brand. And that's why I personally recommend everyone, those of you who are watching this video, you can even buy all those tablets that I mentioned previously, but you can even go for this iPad 8th generation, as it is definitely worth buying. This iPad 8th generation also comes with 2 different variants, that is the Wi-Fi variant as well as the Wi-Fi plus cellular variant, that is the 4G LTE. That means you can even use a SIM card with this tablet as well. So hope you guys liked and enjoyed this video and found this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the subscribe button and share this video with all those people whom you know who are interested in buying this kind of tablets for themselves. And thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next one.